Hi! Good morning, children, and welcome back to Montessori Lesson. Today we are going to play with sound boxes. Sound boxes using the plastic egg, bottle cap, mung beans, and the bells. Are you ready, children? Watch me first, and you may try. Okay, children, now you can put your plastic eggs on the table and let's sort by the color. Red and red, green and green. Now the first one. Let's take a plastic egg with red color and red sticker and find the same color on the green egg. Red and red. And let's take your bottle cap. Put it inside. One for red, one for green. And close it. When you shake it, you can hear the sound. Okay, now the second egg. Blue sticker on the egg. Blue sticker on the egg. Let's take your mung beans and open the plastic. And pour. One for red, one for green. Yes, and let's close it. Blue and blue. And the last one, children. Bells. You have 6 bells. So let's put 1, 2, 3. 3 bells on each egg. And close it. Alright, now let's put your eggs on the table. Red and red, green and green. Okay, children, now if you are done, it's time to play. Let's take one egg from the red color and shake, shake, shake on your right ear. Listen carefully. And we are going to match the sound. So you can take one egg from the green color and shake, shake, shake on your left ear. Does that sound the same? No, it's different. Let's take another egg from green color. Does that sound the same? Yes, they sound the same. And you can put them together on the left side. Now you can take another egg, children. Shake, shake, shake. And Take one egg from the green color. Shake, shake, shake. Does the sound the same? No, it's different. Let's try another egg. Wow! They sound the same. So you can put them together, children. And the last egg. Does that sound the same? Yes, they sound the same, and you can put it on the left. Now, let's check your answer. Okay, now let's check your answer, children. This is the first egg. And check the stickers. Oh, it's blue and blue. If you got the same color on your stickers, so your answer is correct. Yes, they sound the same. Check the second egg. Check the stickers. Ooh, it's white and white. Yes, they sound the same. And the last one. Check the stickers. Red and red. Yes, they sound the same. Now, you may try, children. Yes, we have finished the lesson for today. I hope you enjoy this activity, children. And see you again on the next video. Bye-bye.